Securing IoT in healthcare using blockchain. IoT is not new in the field of healthcare. There are many IoT devices available for the patients to use so that the health providers can view the physical condition of patient and monitor them. Also, it is convenient for patients to get treated quickly if something unpleasant happens. However, the security of these data is a matter of concern. As the patient's data is shared to the health providers through a network, there are chances for it to get stolen by attackers. The current security vulnerabilities are confidentiality, integrity, and availability of data. The data should be kept confidential for its authorized users and should be available for these people when they request for access. Injection of malware, network security threats, outdated system legacy, and hijacking are other common security threats in the field. There are many solutions in the market to secure healthcare IoT. First one is ATNA, Audit Trail and Node Authentication. It controls the access of data by reducing the network access between nodes and by limiting the access between authorized and secure nodes. The second one is signature-based detection. It is the method to detect Trojan or malware if it is present in the system. The method is widely used and it is based on antivirus system signature. The signature stored will be checked to find the presence of malware. However, it is not suitable for limited memory devices. And the last one is lightweight cryptography. This is to secure the hardware side of the IoT. Both symmetric and asymmetric algorithms are used in this method to ensure security. The solution for the current security vulnerabilities in healthcare IoT can be solved to an extent by using a blockchain based method. The data transmission will be more safe here. The patient's authenticity and the health provider's authenticity is checked before linking both of them. The process flow is the IoT device collects the patient's information and sent to smart device such as laptop or smartphone, which is analyzed by the smart contract to check if the new values do not exceed the threshold value. If normal, the values are stored in the cloud as hash and the process stops here. If anything is abnormal, it creates an alert. It creates an event and sends an alert to the health providers via overlaying network. As they receive the alert, they check the cloud to know the real-time condition of patient, which leads to quick medication. This blockchain-based solution also meets the requirements of users, such as a user, health provider wants to see the real-time condition of the patient, which is stored as an ash in real time in cloud. And the second one, as a user, patient needs to get immediate medication or consultation when his standard limits of body measures increases over the threshold value in smart contract, which will be informed by an alert to the physician. And as a user, patient needs his personal data secured from the third parties. Blockchain hinders the alteration of data stored in it. The implementation of project is also not very hard. Smart contract can be created very easily. And also the data transmission is secured as the data is encrypted, and to ensure the authenticity, digital signatures are also added. At the receiver end, the signature is verified to check the authenticity. In this method, the data of patient is not transferred over the network. Only an alert is sent to the physician to let the physician know that the patient needs immediate medication. Thank you.